So take a look at this amazing view. Just imagine, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Now, this is Enugu-Onitsha Express Road. It is 10 minutes drive from New Market and 6 minutes drive from Diamond Estate. So today we'll be heading towards Square Meter Gardens, and I'll be showing you what Square Meter Gardens looks like and the best investment you should key into, okay? Welcome to Square Meters Garden Estate. Imagine, take a look at this amazing view behind me. Now, if you're looking for a buy and build estate for a very affordable rate, then Square Meter Garden is the best option for you. If you're looking for it in a developing area that you can actually move into in a year or so, Square Meter Garden is the best option for you. Now, Square Meter Garden is located at Mountain View Layout, and it is very close to Enugu-Onitsha Express Road, okay, with the local government area. Now, guess what? It has general C of O. A plot of land here is selling for 10 million naira. But if you call me today, if you call me now, we'll be giving it to you at a pre-launched price of 8 million naira. Amazing, right? So call me on the number that is displayed on the screen today for more information concerning Square Meter Garden, so that I can assist you and show you how you can invest in this amazing opportunity. Take a look at this amazing view. Square Meter Garden is 10 minutes drive from GRA and 6 minutes drive from Diamond Estate. It's going to be a fully serviced estate with perimeter fencing, good road network, power supply, and drainage system. It is also fully registered and an approved estate. So all the beacons are already in place, which means you can buy and start building immediately, and your documents will be given to you as soon as possible. Now is the best opportunity to own as many plots as possible in this estate, because the potential and development in this area is very high in the next 2 years. Okay, this area is called Mountain View Enugu. Square Meter Garden is beside Coal City View Estate, owned by Ministry of Housing, which makes it more perfect for you. So call me now on 091-3503-2736 to book for inspection and to grab as many plots as possible. This is one of the most amazing and affordable places to own in Enugu.